So after we've gone through a number of the projects, you'll notice that a lot of things, as you've kind of gone through, are in different phases, and those were obviously to teach you about how to use the phasing in Revit. For the final project, for project 3, I'd recommend actually just selecting everything and making it the current phase. Another way to get around this is when you're in a view, down at the bottom of the properties panel here, there's a thing that says phasing. So instead of showing all, if you show complete, and you change this new phase to the last phase, it'll show all the completed phases. And so that goes with, so here's the existing. So as long as that the phase filter says show complete and the phase is the most recent phase, it should show all of the changes that you've made within the model.